Welcome to Al Isla National Academy, the best foundation for great future.
Welcome to all of you in Al Isla National Academy's YouTube channel. My name is Sabina Yasmin and I am going to take a chapter class 3, that is water. Okay, water is essential for life on earth. Nothing can live in this world without water. 71% of water in earth. We get water from ponds, rivers, lakes and wells. Now rain is the only source we are getting fresh water. Now the question is that from where we are getting rain? We are getting rain, see. First, sun is heated up by the rivers, ponds and lakes water. After that, what will happen? The water evaporates. The water will evaporate, then water vapor will go to the clouds. And these clouds we cannot see with our eyes because the water vapor is colorless. After that, what will happen? These clouds cannot hold them stay longer. Again it will fall in the earth, it as a rain. Again the same way, the sun will heat it up by the water. Again this water will evaporate and water vapor will go to the clouds and again it will come to the earth. Okay, the water has three forms: solids, liquids and gases. If I put some water in fridge and when it will cool, it will become ice, that is solid forms. And again when I will keep this water in a normal temperature, this water solid liquid form, it will be the liquid. And again when I will put some water for boiling, this water will evaporate, this water will be water vapor. This is the water gaseous form. And again when this water I will keep in normal temperature, this water vapor will be the same liquid form. Okay. Water is a liquid. Water can flow. Water does not have any shape. If I try to keep some water from jug to the glass, I can pour it, because when I keep from jug to the glass, then this water will get the shape like a glass. Again when I put this water from glass to the bowl, then this water will get the shape of bowl, because water liquids do not have any shape. And the solid forms, when I will try to pour some liquids, pour some solid forms like ice, I will try to keep from jug to the glass, I cannot keep it, because these solid forms do not flow. And if I try to put some water liquid from jug to the glass, I can pour it, because liquids flow. And the water vapor is also a gas. It's like air. It is also do not have any shape. If I fill one balloon, any shape of balloon, I can fill it, because this water gaseous form, they do not have any shape. And this with this water I can mix any solids, because sometimes we are making the teas, which that time we are using the sweet. That things also easily can make with water. Solids like sweet, salt, these things also can make with water. It can mix, easily it can mix. Okay. We are using water in many ways, like we are drinking, cooking and cleaning. And in this world, less percent of water is useful. For that only we have to keep the water clean. Do not destroy the water. We have to save the water. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter. Watch video again and again. It will help you to clear the concept of this chapter. I hope you understand.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest update.